burrito bowl.
Pull the app out and see how we do this thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright,
cool.
so burrito bowl.
Alright.
We're cooking a burrito bowl. Chicken and beef.
Chicken and beef?
Yep.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, 400 grams beef mince, 400 grams chicken breast diced. I'll start dicing.
So breakfast, could be lunch, could be dinner. What is it, burrito bowl?
Yeah.
So it's super simple, as you can see here. All the ingredients are here. Optional ingredients are there, and the method's there. And if we did want to add it to see like a shopping cart, I can go add, and then go to my shopping cart, and that will tell me what I need to buy at the supermarket. And if I added 10 different things and there's similar things in it, it'll do that for you, so you don't have to get the same thing twice. That's fucking tech, okay? So, back to the burrito bowl over here, food. All right, so we got all this stuff. In a large pan of medium meat, add your butter. Half the meat in that leak. All right, so you got the meat, cut them.
A little tip here when you're chopping too, guys, which I learned off Jamie Oliver, is when you chop, don't chop like this. Chop with a claw so you'll never cut your fingers. So use a claw and you start to run it along the edge of your fingers. And you can never cut yourself. I wouldn't say never, but still be careful, but don't do it. Oh, you got the cheap knives. No,
These are actually like,
they're really good.
good burrito.
Yeah, these are actually really good. I've got the shittest IKEA knives.
All right, so we got leek. We'll just like do a full like competition for knife skills. See how nice. Buzz.
Best part of you.
I wonder if it's one whole leek. That's probably excessive. What does it say? Yeah, one leek. Sweet. Go this way. Beautiful. Look at that fine, dusty leek. A little easier.
That smells good.
An onion. Oh. So leek's always got dirt in it though, that's the thing. So I'm probably gonna have to rinse this after. I definitely will. Just rinsing it, some filtered water. Get all that dirt off it. Get those. That's true, that's the real microbiome, that's what they're talking about. But at the same time, I don't want to visually see the dirt, so. What's next?
I'm going to clean this chopping board. And then I'll chop up some, I reckon I'll go the capsicum.
Okay, so we got leek chops. We got chicken chops. All right, nice. So we got the Mexican season here. We got our stainless steel pan over here.
Fresh.
Okay, so we got beetroots here too. So we're cooking. First thing is half cook the meat. Good. Pan turn up. Shred the leg. I might even just go to like the leek a little bit. Because the pan's not really big enough, so I'm going to get the leek straight up. Cook it a little bit and then cook the meat in. What meat we're using ancestral mince. So this is liver and heart from Bucox, grass fed. So we're getting the organ meats, fresh organ meats. And then we just got good organic chicken there. Yeah, it's a good start to the day, right? And there's going to be heaps left over.
Best parts of you are here, but you're still gone.
Now the meat's going in, so There's the mince. It's like, I think I'd be happy with just the mince, you know what I mean?
Yeah, fully. I think they're for 2 separate bowls.
Oh, 2 separate bowls, right. I was thinking what the go is there.
Oh. Like one chicken burrito bowl and
One chicken burrito or one beef burrito bowl. Right.
What the fuck design is that?
So does that mean like that leek I cooked, like meant to have leek cooked for another bowl or something? I reckon we might even change that and just make it to one thing.
Yeah.
One
Should we just
burrito.
do a beef one or should we?
We'll just do a beef one.
Yeah.
because this is fucking...
Yeah.
Because obviously you can use 400 grams of whatever flesh you want, right? We're just using 400 grams of, just 500 grams of beef mince. So all that chicken we cooked up, that can be lunch or something. Alright, so just waiting for that to brown off. And then I guess it's all just going in a big bowl, right? And done. Oh, capsicum needs to go in. Okay. Get a bit more capsicum cranking. Look at the colour. What a good way to start the day.
Yeah.
What a crew doing, eh? There's people out there eating fucking wheat bix for breakfast.
Yeah.
It's that or it's rice bubbles, you know? Cocoa Pops. What was the real bad one? Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops.
Yeah, Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops are alright.
I hated them. I remember I got mum to buy Fruit Loops once when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Thinking that'd be really good because it was on the TV and then I had one bowl like this is
Yeah, it's disgusting. Yeah. I'm more of a raisin brand kind of guy.
Really?
When I was growing up, yeah,
True.
like I like the taste of the raisin, which is just probably sugar.
Dad and mum used to, I didn't like it.
Yeah.
But they used to give it to me and I just didn't like it.
Yeah.
I was having I like Maggi noodles, chicken nuggets.
Kids love chicken nuggets, eh?
Pressure culture Himalayan. You don't have a salt jar? So necessary. Okay. I was going to get 1,000 of these, but pulled out in the end. I was like, don't need 1,000 of them, you know? That's the minimum water quantity. So I got one sample, and now these Chinese people who are asking me every week, asking if I want my 1,000. Because I got the sample, they made me this custom thing. You got one too, eh?
Yeah. A little bit ripe in spots and a little bit unripe in other spots.
Yeah, so I go to Sydney tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna need to make sure that my food, I've just been thinking about that because I know I'm not gonna have the same access. There'll be meals that won't be organic and won't be optimal, and I'll feel that. I feel tired whenever I eat like that. So I'm making sure every meal is perfect until then. Make sure I'm training until then, saunaing, ice bath to do one today. Being as healthy as I can be, as always, because I want my brain to work well when I'm at this course.
Yeah, it's such a big difference man in the States, like eating organic and no shit. I just got so much sharper in the brain.
In the States, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, how's that looking? Is it done yet, or?
Good, yeah.
Oh, we need the taco seasoning. Shit.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
So all this is chili blend, organic cumin, sea salt, organic onion, organic garlic, and organic oregano. So you can buy all these herbs and make it yourself too, just from like Simply Organic or Planet Organic herbs.
Simply organic. The cumin, I mean, if you think about Mexican flavour, it's cumin, paprika,
Yeah.
bit of chili. So you can use cumin, paprika, chili from the Simply Organic brand, use that, or just get the mix. Use whatever, use any herbs, doesn't have to be Mexican.
Yeah, fully. The best thing you can do is buy a fucking shit ton of those Simply Organic things. I bought like 20 recently, and you just get creative with it. Everything tastes amazing. I think that's good.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Alright, so what's next? We got to put it all in a bowl, right? I think it's all... I'll put this aside because that's cooked capsicum, so we'll put cucumber in.
Is that all the lettuce?
That should be it.
Oh.
That should be it.
Do you reckon?
That's the whole lettuce there. That blended with it should be cabbage.
True, okay.
Imagine grabbing that half of that and eating it, you know?
Yeah.
You haven't eaten this morning, have you, Harry?
Would you like some burrito bowl? Oh no, you have eaten.
You have eaten?
Yep. No burrito bowl for you then.
Alright, so we got a bowl. There's a bowl. That's a new one. Ooh. That's a cool bowl. I like that bowl actually. Alright, so.
Wow, dude, why would Lifeline put a sticker there and then make it really hard to peel off? Fucking Lifeline.
Alright, so I guess we just add the shit to the bowl. So would you go meat on bottom or would you go meat by lettuce? I guess you gotta mix it all up, right? So I'm gonna start with a bit of lettuce here.
Right, this is undoable.
Okay. Bit of lettuce there. Then I'm gonna start, and then let's go meat next. People are probably thinking what the fuck he's doing.
People.
Definitely.
That looks good, dude.
Cooking show of two slightly above average male cookers.
Yeah.
And then let's go a little bit of freshness. A little bit of freshness. Some chili would be good, eh? A little bit of freshness. There we go. Look at that. Now what?
Nice.
What else we got here?
I'm gonna run a little bit of a different setup. Salad on bottom.
Squeeze this. Freshen that shit up. A little bit of coriander to chelate, have any heavy metals. And then, want a bit of yogurt on top?
Oh yeah, shit yeah.
How did that even happen, dude? It's not even open and shit's going on me. What the fuck just happened? The hell? Alright. These things are so fucking annoying. Go figure out your fucking... Jesus. Need a fucking... pinch grip of destiny.
Just breathe. Just breathe.
There we go.
Pinch of lemon.
Mmm. Now look at that, guys. Isn't that's breakfast right there? That is absolute breakfast. Nutrient dense.
All right. It's a good, easy way to get
Looks good, eh?
nutrition.
Get some of that.
into
You
you,
put some of that on.
Put some, yeah.
That. Just the colours. It's a good way to start the day. You know, like. It's just like for people that talk about calories and even like, I don't know, it's just starts to be so clear. Like when you look at the, you know, that reaction video we did the other day, people starting the day on like banana and oats and a protein shake. Compared to this, you know, like it's a living food. It's life force running through it. Chi.
Wow. It's fucking next level.
So that was breakfast. That could be lunch, that could be dinner. Could be anything, right? And easy, cheap, you know? We have organ meats. What do you say?
Yeah.
Alright.
McDonald's. All right. Now let the kings play chess. Amazing.
Good man, yeah. We were just talking about, we're always wondering what for a cafe, what do we want at the cafe? This is perfect. I want to go to a cafe and not have, I just want fats, proteins and some greens, you know? It's perfect.
Yeah, I've been eating like this since I got home from the States, and man, it's just such a difference when you cut bread and sugar and shit out of your life. Like this is how you should eat, 100%. How much nutrients is in this bowl? It's crazy.
We'll move that?
Yeah.